Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we are going to be learning how we can change the lip color on your PicsArt application. Changing lip color in PicsArt is a fun way to enhance portraits or experiment with different looks. So here is how you do it. First of all, open up your PicsArt application, and once you are inside the main home page, click on the plus button at the bottom of the screen and go to the top left and tap on one of the pictures that you'd like to edit. You can select the picture from your device's camera roll or from other sources as well. Once you've chosen the photo, go ahead and zoom in on the photo and find the lip area. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on the draw option at the bottom of the screen. After selecting draw, choose the brush type from the display at the bottom. Make sure to choose the round smooth brush for smooth application. Also make sure to adjust the size of your brush to match the area of the lip. After you are done, pick a color from the color palette at the bottom. I'm gonna choose this color over here. After choosing your preferred color and zooming in on your photo, carefully draw over the lips with the selected color. If you have overdone, you can also go ahead and click on the erase option at the bottom and erase the area that you've overdone on the screen with the help of your finger. Now, you can zoom out on your screen and you will be able to add a lip color of your choice. Once you're satisfied with your image, click on the apply button at the top right. Once you are done, you will notice that you have successfully changed your lip color. You can now go ahead and save your image onto your device's camera roll or share your project directly to your friends. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.